Hey guys, I'm going to do something a little bit different today. I'm going to talk about when a host attacks somebody in his audience. When a host tells people, she's dead to me. When a host puts his opinion into other people's heads. When you fall for that host and allow him to make your opinions for you is wrong. I have witnessed this from this one particular person. I'm not going to name who he is, but he thinks he's God's gift on YouTube. But I'm not going to say his name. I'm sure plenty of you know who it is that are in my group of friends. I'm not going to put up with watching somebody be tore down for his entertainment. And I'm not going to watch my friends ignore the person being tore down just because the host says so. It's like you're playing Simon Says. Don't do that. Okay, don't do that. We're all human. We're all flawed. Every one of us are flawed. I'm a good person. I don't judge people. I try not to judge people. I judge people by their actions. And when I have to sit up and calm somebody down because she feels victimized, that's sad. That's really sad. So if you're a host, you know, you don't attack somebody in your stream. You just don't do it. You just block them. Just block them and walk away. But don't attack them unless you have a darn good reason. Yeah, people make fake accounts of other people and they come in. I even fell for that one time with this person in particular. And I'm starting to find out that this host is actually making fake accounts too. Not cool, man. Not cool at all. I won't come back to your stream. I won't do it. I know big whoop to you. Um, but it's wrong. It's wrong. You're not God. You know who you are. You know who you are. Don't follow him, folks. Don't follow him at all. If he's going to victimize, you know, a defenseless woman, just because she's different or just because she doesn't agree with you, um, just because she has more than you do, and you think that's wrong, no. You have no right to do that to somebody. Um, they say drama sells. Well, here it is, guys. Here's drama. I don't like drama on my channel, but I'm tired of seeing this person over and over and over victimizing people. I've seen him victimize a person that lost their leg. I've seen him victimize a lot of nice people. And I see some of my friends that just go along with it. They don't want to say nothing. They don't want to stand up for these people that have been in their community for a long time. Well, I'm standing. You know, I hope I don't lose any of my friends. I love my community. But when somebody steps in my community to stir up crap between friends, I'm going to speak up. I'm going to say something, and I'm going to tell you to go to freaking you know where. I won't put up with it. And that's why I haven't been coming to your streams anymore. Because this isn't the first person that you victimized just because of your jealousy. You say, oh, you're not jealous. Oh, you're depressed. You know what? We all are. We're all depressed. Especially during this pandemic. And you're adding to the stress. Do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. You know what? Maybe I need drama in my channel. Speak up against bullies. But I'm not going to give them your name because I'm not going to give you any traffic. All right, everybody. I love you all. I know a lot of you are confused because Mary never does this on her channel. But you know what? Maybe I need to once in a while. Maybe I need to vent once in a while. Maybe I need to be human once in a while. I love you all. Remember, don't follow the hosts that you think are gods on here, because they're not. We're all human. We're all human.